let's say this is called timestamp message. Be careful not to include any space. Message, there is no message though, but this is the this is the process ID, PID. Okay, so if I press enter, so you see it only search for the similar log message that includes the rest of the field. So when you are selecting the messages, it's look for these three options, like, hey, do I have the same timestamp key in the messages? Yes. Okay, I have it. Then I found the timestamp. Then I have the next one, messages for the key. Yes, I have the messages. Then we didn't parse it. So it is also saying that, okay, the messages also include VM tool SD. So the message does include the VM tools SD. Okay, it does include. Okay, I'll parse it then. So does this message also include the PID? The next part says like core dumps limit set to 1. Does this message include this part? Okay, yeah, I have this message include the core dump limit set to -1. Okay, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one. So okay, then I'll parse these data from these messages. Okay, I've parsed this message from these logs messages. So this is what it does when you try to parse by a whole raw data. So you have to be very specific and very cautious how you are trying to parse data for the Sumologic or the logs. So next what I'll do is like count by these three field, press enter. Okay, it will find me the aggregates. Okay, I have these data, so let's go with another line charts. It doesn't make sense, but yeah, it will be appropriate when the percentage something is going up over the time period. Column chart would be appropriate for something values like yearly data. It's not also appropriate. Bar chart, yeah, we can show it, but it's also same as the column line, but table is most appropriate. Scatter chart is also appropriate, but it depends which ones we want to show. The most appropriate would be pie chart. Yeah, okay, whatever the events has occurred in its sense, each time instance, or whatever the percentage, it will give us an appropriate invalid time range. Please reduce the query time range. Okay, let's go with 13 days, 3 days, sorry, 7 days. Okay, so I think my account has a limitation for time range selection, so that's why it didn't allow me to went beyond 14 days. But if you're using the other account, then it would be much more easier for you to do the log searches. So I'll do add. So it will add. So because I selected the inherent dashboard time range, I'll select the 7 days. So okay, it gives me the data. Okay, fine. This is the essence of parsing log in the Sumologic. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to explain within my capability, as I'm not the know-it-all guy. I'm also learning the learning procedure, so I try to explain whatever is my understanding. Also, if you think that I'm saying something wrong, please also let me know. I'd be happy to correct myself. Any criticism is like, or feedback is appreciated, because those are the only way to improve myself. Thank you. I hope this clears a lot of the things for you, and it will make it be easier for you to work with the query and parsing. So that is all for now. Thank you so much.